The Pronto DC is the universal seed drill with the lowest horsepower requirement on the market. Since the product launch in 2003, farmers all over the world have been drilling with these machines, from South America via Europe to Russia, Asia and Australia. These machines work on the most different soils, in most different conditions, at operational speeds of up to 20 km per hour. The precise seed placement and a good work pattern are essential for the success. Why is the horsepower requirement of the Pronto DC so low? Quite simple. Due to the straight front-to-back frame with a simple design that, compared to our competitors, guarantees a low overall weight. Another feature is the tire packer that is arranged in one line and guarantees optimum clearance and levels the soil. The success of the Pronto line is based on the Pronto Principle. The first step is the seedbed preparation. The discs with a diameter of 46 centimeters achieve very high rotational speeds, mix the soil very aggressively, produce important fine soil and level the seedbed. The second step of the Pronto Principle is the consolidation, which is carried out by the Horsch tire packer that is arranged in one line and thus guarantees an optimum clearance even on light sites. The third step is the seed. Precise sowing is carried out with the turbo disc seed coulter of the third generation. The double disc coulter forms the seed furrow, the seed is applied, the uniformer keeps the seed in the row, and the press wheel guarantees optimum seed-soil contact. The seed coulter can transfer a coulter pressure of up to 120 kilograms and is maintenance-free. The Pronto DC line can be equipped with various hopper options, single or double hoppers. For the Pronto 60C, you can choose between a 3,500-litre single hopper or a 5,000 double hopper with a partition of 60 to 40. With the double hopper version, you can choose between GNF and PPF. GNF, grain and fertilizer, means that we can apply two components in the seed furrow, for example to supply the seed with a starter input of fertilizer. For the PPF, precision placement of fertilizer version, fertilizer coulters are mounted between the disc system and the tire packer that can create a fertilizer depot at a depth of up to 10 centimeters, also a second component. For the Pronto DC line, there are a lot of different equipment versions that can be installed in the machines. There is a telescopic drawbar at the front which allows for realizing a steering angle of up to 90 degrees, even if the tractor is equipped with twin tires. To reduce the tractor tracks, the machine can be equipped with a front packer that takes over weight from the rear axle of the tractor and guarantees a better weight distribution. This reduces the horsepower requirement. To loosen the tractor tracks, individual discs in the disc system can be adjusted to work more deeply. The disc system thus does not have to work aggressively over the whole working width. This also adds to reduce the fuel consumption. Another additional equipment option is Worklight Pro. It includes 3 LED headlights. 2 headlights illuminate the rear of the machine to guarantee an optimum view on the seed bar and on what happens behind the machine at night. The third headlight illuminates the metering unit. At night, in case of a crop change, we thus have an optimum view on the metering motor, the calibration bag and the gangway we stand on. In the sowing technology sector, Horsch row control is the absolute optimum section control can offer. Individual row shut-off up to the last row at a constant seed distribution can be carried out successfully due to the separation of seed and air. When individual rows are shut off, the total application rate is reduced. The application rate of the other seed coulters, however, remains the same. This is due to the separation of air and seed. Excess air escapes via the seed coulters and the seed gets back into the distributor tower. The Horsch row control distribution tower offers utmost flexibility for tramline rhythms that are independent of the working width of the machine. We can realize different row spacings: 15 centimeters for wheat, 30 centimeters for rape, 45 centimeters for soya, or 60 and 75 centimeters for maize, and no problem at all. Nothing has to be retrofitted. We only have to select the different row spacings at the terminal. When avoiding obstacles in an irregular or wedge-shaped field, we can, due to row control, avoid overlapping and save on seed. No matter what you imagine section control for seed drills to be, we can easily put it into practice.